This video about Ontario invites 1,186 PNP candidates from all employer job offer streams. After more than a month, Ontario has held its first round of invitations under the employer job offer category. Ontario came back with a bang on December 7, inviting 1,186 immigration candidates to apply for a provincial nomination. The Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program OINP issued invitations to candidates who had profiles in its Expression of Interest EOI system. Here are the results of all the draws in a table on your screen. These candidates may be eligible for one of three streams under the employer job offer category: foreign worker, international student, and in-demand skills. Some of the invitations went to candidates registered for the Regional Immigration Pilot. Candidates invited under the employer job offer, in-demand skills stream had work experience in the National Occupational Codes NOC. Now, have a look at health and agricultural occupations, NOC 3413, nurse aides, orderlies and patient service associates, NOC 4412, home support workers and related occupations, excluding housekeepers, NOC 8431. General farm workers, NOC 8432, nursery and greenhouse workers, NOC 8611, harvesting laborers, NOC 9462, industrial butchers and meat cutters, poultry preparers and related workers. Now, have a look at manufacturing outside the GTA only, NOC 9411, machine operators, mineral and metal processing, NOC 9416, metalworking and forging machine operators, NOC 9417, machining tool operators, NOC 9418, other metal products machine operators, NOC 9421, chemical plant machine operators, NOC 9422, plastics processing machine operators, NOC 9437, woodworking machine operators, NOC 9446, industrial sewing machine operators, NOC 9461, process control and machine operators, food, beverage and associated products processing, NOC 9523, electronics assemblers, fabricators, inspectors and testers, NOC 9526, mechanical assemblers and inspectors, NOC 9536, industrial painters, coaters and metal finishing process operators, NOC 9537, other products assemblers, finishers and inspectors. Now, let's talk about Ontario Wants More Immigrants. Each year, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, allocates a certain number of nominations to the provinces and territories that run Provincial Nominee Programs, PNPs. In 2021, Ontario received an allocation of 8,350 plus an additional 250 nominations for temporary foreign workers in intermediate skilled occupations. NOC Skill Level C. As of November 10, 2021, Ontario has issued 8,600 nominations. Ontario's Immigration Minister, Monte McNaughton, told CIC News in an October interview that the province is asking the federal government to double their allocation next year. Ontario recently passed the Working for Workers Act, which among other things will help immigrant workers integrate into regulated industries outside of the healthcare sector. It will prohibit regulatory bodies from requiring Canadian work experience, eliminate the need to do a language test for the purpose of licensing, and speed up the licensing process, especially in cases of emergency. Please do not forget to subscribe Canadian Jobs Explore YouTube channel with bell icon. See you next video.